Cannot change password on AlphaFlow Fix. If you've been trying to change your password on AlphaFlow and nothing seems to work, don't worry, this is a common issue and it's usually caused by one simple mistake. Most people try to update their password while they're already logged in, but here's the surprising truth: AlphaFlow only allows password changes through its official reset process, not from inside the account dashboard. Here's how to fix it quickly. Start by logging out of your AlphaFlow account completely. Then go to the AlphaFlow login page and click on Forgot Your Password. This is the only secure way to update it. Enter the email address you used when signing up for your AlphaFlow account. Within a few minutes, you should receive an email from AlphaFlow with a password reset link. Open that email immediately because those links often expire within a short time window. Click the link and it will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Now, make sure your new password meets the security requirements, at least 8 characters long, with a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, a number and a symbol. Avoid using the same password you've used before, since AlphaFlow's system might reject it for security reasons. If you don't receive the reset email, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes automated emails get filtered there. If it's still missing after a few minutes, try searching for AlphaFlow password reset in your inbox. Also, if you're using a browser with autofill or password manager, temporarily disable it before submitting your new password. These tools can sometimes interfere with the reset form. Once the new password is set, log back in to confirm it works. So, the next time you can't change your password on AlphaFlow, remember it's not a glitch. It's just a matter of using the proper reset link instead of the in-app settings. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be back in your account with a secure new password in no time.